lips are so ashy.
They do get ashy sometimes. Maybe you should wear lip gloss.
Why would you say that to me?
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for so.
Hey cuties, and welcome to the club. So today I wanted to get on here and film my fall makeup routine. I know I posted my lightweight foundation routine or my everyday foundation routine, and this is something a little different, a little elevated. So I hope you guys like it. And this is the look. It's super like clean girl, like it just looks like a fresh face. Of course it looks a little bit more dramatic because I have lashes on, but yeah, it's just a really nice foundation routine that I got down, and I wanted to share it with you guys because a lot of people don't really use mineral makeup, and I am like obsessed with mineral makeup. So I'm trying to like throw that at you a little bit because it is so good, and like I said, it's so easy. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I went to Ulta and found some new goodies. The Ulta by my parents' house now has a Chanel section, and I love Chanel. So I got a couple things. I just wanted to like amp up my like makeup collection because I used to have a ton of makeup. A ton. I'm talking like dresser drawers filled with makeup. 2 of them. And I recently cleaned them out, and I only have like a couple drawers of makeup. So I wanted to add some more to my collection and kind of vamp it up a little bit, you know, because I used to use pretty cheap makeup. I mean, most makeup is expensive, but you know, I didn't really like splurge on certain items. So for starters, I got the Hyrdra Beauty Camellia, I can't even say it. Hyrdra Beauty Camellia Water Cream. I know, right? Like, what the fuck is that? This is what it looks like. It's kind of like, to me at least, it's kind of like a higher end strobe cream from MAC. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to pump some out on my hand and put it on my face. It smells so good. I originally got this just to have for the days where I don't wear makeup and I wanted like a nice little glow. But again, strobe cream does pretty much the same thing. I just wanted something a little bit more, you know. But look at that. It just gives you a nice glow. So next I'm gonna take, this isn't high end, but this is just one product that I fell in love with from the jump, and I'm still in love with, and I think it's really great for, I think it's great for the summer because, you know, you don't want all that liquid on your face. So I like to use mineral makeup. This is the bareminerals original formula, and I got the shade Light, and I also have the shade Golden Tan. I like to mix these two because my neck and my body is a little bit darker than my face. So I'm just taking a Morphe 406 brush, and I mixed the two in the cap. And now I'm just gonna mix my brush in there. The key with mineral makeup is to keep mixing. You wanna warm up the minerals so that way they're not just sitting on your face, they're melting in your skin. So I like to swirl this around for a good little while. And I like to just kind of dot it as if it is like liquid. Just kind of dot it and then start blending in. Okay, and you can see it just gave a really nice finish. Just gonna bring it down my neck. So yeah, I really love this foundation because it's super lightweight. It feels like nothing's on my face, and it gives pretty good coverage. You can still see my freckles a little bit, but for the most part, it covered like all the discoloration. So now we're gonna move on to contouring. This is the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. Like the only thing I've ever contoured with, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just taking a Bdellium Tools 942 brush, which is just an angled brush like this, in the hollows of my cheeks and on my jawline. And we're gonna blend it out. And going back to Bare Minerals, this is actually a concealer. Yes, a mineral concealer, which is crazy. It's in the shade Well Rested. Looks like that. And I swear by this stuff as well. I just love Bare Minerals. I know it's kind of more like for an older crowd, but I love it. Is there anything in here? So I'm just taking another Morphe brush. This one doesn't have a name. And I'm gonna, again, swirl that in my cap. Make sure it's heated up really well, so it'll just melt on the skin. And I'm just gonna place that under my eye. Yes, this is a powder mineral concealer. You see the difference? Just doing that triangle shape. It's just crazy how this is minerals, like, and not actually liquid.
It looks nice.
Yeah, thank you. I love this stuff. So this is what we're working with right now. It looks like I put on liquid foundation and shit, but I didn't. I also picked up a blush from Chanel. This one is in the shade 80 Jersey. That's what it looks like. I think it comes with a brush. How do you open this? And this is what the color looks like. Super fall, right? So this is a IT Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name. I'm just gonna use it. It's kind of like a synthetic haired brush. So I'm gonna take that on here. That is really pretty. Okay, so that just kind of added a little more definition. I also got a free sample, of course it's free, duh, of the new Chanel foundation. I can't remember what the name is, but it's new, and they're like teaming up with Ulta, and I got the shade, I guess this is B30, N1 B30. So I'm gonna try this out on another day and let you guys know how it is. If I like it, I'll probably get it. Real quick, I wanna put on a highlighter. So again, this is Physicians Formula. You guys know I swear by this. Like, I literally have been using it since I started makeup in high school. This shade is in Vegas Strips Light Bronzer. That's the one to get. I mean, of course, unless you're like a darker or lighter skin tone. But I'm gonna take my Morphe M510 brush. It's really dirty. And I'm gonna take the, again, the first shades, the lighter shades, and I'm just gonna put that. Right on top. I love this stuff, like I swear. So real quick, I'm gonna do my brows. I almost forgot to do them. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz in the color Ebony. And I'm not gonna be doing any like concealer on the brows. This is just a little fill-in. That's pretty good. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to put on, I used to do gloss, right? But, well, I used to do lipstick, and then I switched to gloss. But this is actually a chapstick or a lip balm from Chanel. Hydrating Conditioning Lip Balm. And it is called Rouge Coco. And this is what it looks like. It's like in a little like lipstick thing. And it looks like that. And we're gonna put some on. Since my lips are ashy. It feels so good. But yeah, this is the lip balm. It's super luxe. I love it. Anyways, guys, this is the finished look. It's just something like, it's like a light foundation routine, a light routine, but it's elevated because, you know, you're using like higher end products and like they do better than obviously the cheaper products. But yeah, I'm really loving this. And like I said, it's only a few items that I used, so it's really nice for travel. This is probably how I'm gonna be doing my makeup in Hawaii. Because it's super convenient and it's really quick and easy. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.